Accounting for partnership firm. This is our topic, and in this module, we will learn calculation of new profit sharing ratio. As we just discussed in the earlier module, that whenever new partner enters, there is a change in profit sharing ratio. So this is pure mathematical module. Your attentions would be required along with your calculators. Okay, so please be attentive and see this basic data in which we have an old ratio with us for partner A and partner B, which is 3:2. Okay, and C is admitted for 1/6 share in the profits. Scenario 1 would be that A and B will continue sharing in old ratio. Scenario 2 would be A and B will share equally after C's admission. And scenario 3 is that C will buy his share half from A and half from B. Okay. So let's see that how we will work out these three scenarios. Remember that old ratio is 3:2 and C has been admitted for 1/6 share in profits. Well, so if scenario 1, we see that A and B will continue sharing in old profit sharing ratio, means mutual ratio will not change. So A and B's share is 5/6. How? Because the new partner C is getting 1/6 share. Okay, so 1/6 share minus 1 means 1 minus 1/6 share will give us 5/6. Just give an example of pizza. If you have 6 slices of the pizza, one slice you are giving to Mr. C, who is the new coming partner, then how many slices would be available for the old partners A and B? Yes, 5 out of 6. Now easy? Well, and yummy as well. Okay? Well, so your attentions should be over here now. So forget that pizza. Okay, this 5/6. Okay, let's take example of pizza once again. Okay, so this 5 slices out of 6 slices of pizza, we have to distribute among A and B in their old ratio. What is their old ratio? 3/5. Here we go. 3/5 and 2/5. So this 5/6 multiplied by 3/5 gives us its simple working of mathematics. Okay, this 5 will cancel with this 5 and 3/6 is the answer. Okay, great. So now out of these 6 slices, one slice is being given to C. Out of these 6 slices, 3 slices being given to A, and B will get 2 slices. How? This 5/6 multiplied by 2/5. 5 cancels with 5. 2/6 is there, and 1/6 is the C's share. So 3, 2, and 1 is the new ratio in which that pizza will be, in which that profit will be shared. Okay, great. Well, let's see scenario 2 now. In scenario 2, again, the remaining 5/6 will be divided among A and B, and A and B will share equally. Okay, now they will say that those 5 slices of pizza will be divided equally among A and B. So 5/6 multiplied by 1/2 and 5/6 multiplied by 1/2. A's share will be 5 out of 12, B's share will be 5 out of 12, and C's share will be 2 out of 12. Look, either C gets 1 slice out of 6 slices or 2 slices out of 12 slices, the ratio proportion is same. Okay, so mathematically we will resolve this issue through this multiplication, and multiplication. 1/2, 1/2, and 2/2. So the new profit sharing ratio is 5:5:2 for A, B, and C respectively. All right. Interesting. Great. Let's see scenario 3. In this scenario 3, C will buy his share half from A and half from B. So in a way, that 1/6 share will be taken half from A and half from B. So how it would be worked out? It will be worked out through LCM. Yes, we have studied this LCM in our earlier mathematics classes. Okay, well, so how to work it out? 3 by 5 minus 1 by 12. It would be 31 by 60. Okay, so mathematics is there. 5 times 12 is 60, would be the LCM. Okay, and then we will work it out. It will be 31 by 60. You can work out very well. It is not that difficult. Okay, and then 2 by 5 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 19 by 60. Okay, so this 3 by 5, C has taken 1 by 12, means half of this 1 by 6. Half of this 1 by 6 is 1 by 12. Okay, half of this 1 by 6 has been taken out from 3 by 5 and half has been taken out from 2 by 5. And this 1 by 12 and 1 by 12, 1 by 12 and 1 by 12 is in fact equal to 1 by 6. So what we do, that this 2 by 12 is multiplied by 5 by 5. Why? To make this denominator equal. This is something important in this mathematics, that whenever we are working out ratio proportion, the denominator should always remain equal. So in order to make this denominator equal, we are multiplying this 5 by 5. This 2 by 12 multiplied by 5 by 5. So that its denominator is same, 60, 60, 60. So the profit sharing ratio is 31, 19 and 20. So this is how we worked out this scenario 3. The important tip to remember over here is that it is a simple mathematics and the total share would remain equal to 1. And see, if you are facing some difficulties in working out this ratio or LCM thing, then I'll ask you to sit with your younger brother or sister and ask him or her to bring your mathematics book, and once again ask her to please teach me this LCM thing. No matter if he or she is younger than you, but taking knowledge from anyone is something good. Okay, offer him or her a cup of coffee or a chocolate or ice cream, then they will teach you LCM. Okay, so thank you.